this is the first instruct in Korea, I think, and you guys just did one course. Okay, you needed just one course forever as a teacher in Korea. Okay, is there American? Wow. Okay, Canadian. All right. New Zealanders. Yeah. Okay, British. Yeah. Elevate. Okay. South African? Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. What else? Filipino? Hey, kumusta? Okay. Is there any other country who's English native speaker? Oh, sorry, Australia. Yeah. Right. Chinese. 大家好. Okay. Japanese. I saw Japanese. Nippon. No? Japanese, please put your hands up. No Japanese? Sure, I'm ready. I prepared in Japanese or not. Okay. Today, we start in 10 a.m. and all class will be finished 12. But it depends on how enthusiasm you have. Okay. Please turn off your cell phone, iPad, something like that. Okay, please turn off. If you want to sleep, it's okay, but I will check. And then you should give your cell phone number to me. Okay? Okay, today you will have 2 lectures. First is about Korean culture. Okay? Most of you foreign teachers in Korea, they want to know about how to drink in Korean manners, and like 2 heads, right, and 1 shot, something like that. Okay, but you have to know more professional Korean culture, but it is useful in Korea, right? And second class, the police officer. You're gonna talk about your what crime is, because in detail, the Korean crime is a little bit different from the Western. So you should really know about the Korean crime, because you might think, that's nothing, but it's serious in Korea. So you have to listen carefully in second class. Okay. After that, you need to confront, and you on your certification paper, you need to get a stamp. If you don't get a stamp, then you cannot, you're gonna be F up. Okay, so. Okay, now I'm going to introduce about the first class leader, Gyeongsang National University, Professor Lee Kwang-ho. Okay, I'm going to introduce him. Please clap.